You got this all set up. Get back off and show it to you. Got our plywood cut, rounded all the edges. Trim this back again, one more time. Now we'll set it up. We're going to start beating. I use this to offset for the head of the screws because he wants to tip it down. And we can line it up with the edge of the plate here. Put a piece of angle iron on it, help hold it so it's not moving around on you while you're trying to smack on it. Once you get it bent over, get it started, it won't be too bad. Alright, the trick is, get out of your way. You don't want to smack it real hard. I'll get a flat body hammer. You want to start at the top of your bend and work everything down. Don't try to hit it down automatically. Don't try to take a whole lot. If you do, you're going to bend it all to pieces and end up with junk. You want to keep a nice curve here like we put into the plywood. Start your corners. That's where you're going to have your problem. Okay, that's about as far as I want to go right there. I want to go all the way around it. You can see I haven't bent it a whole lot, but this is going to be your problem area, your corners. So that'll be all right. Let's put another one over here. This is the problem part. Don't just hit it. When you hit it, come at an angle. As you work it, you got to shrink this, is what we're trying to do. So as you're working it, it's going to come down here, tap back up here. You come back, start at the top, work your way down again. Start at the top, work your way down. Takes a while. Pretty tight radius. There's a lot of metal right there that you got to try to gather up. Bunch it up without overlapping it. You know, to use one of these. Started with. I usually use these on an inside instead of an outside corner. If it was the other way, they were good because you're stretching the metal instead of shrinking it. Almost all the way around it.
First step full press to get that. Half pressure to give it enough.
You can see the line starting.
Yeah. No, that's good, right.
It's coming. Then again, so ain't Christmas. Got this one pucker in it. I'll take that out.
Nah, you're already lined up. Align the line up against it.
Keep hammering away. Alright, we got it off the buck. You know, this little problem area and this little problem area. We're going to take care of that right now. It's coming.
And that would also kick it out.
Okay, this is what we started with, cheap piece of plastic. And, oh no. Well, yes I did.
It was at this moment that Ward realized that he had messed up.
Yes I did. We can edit that part out, but I'm going to be mad. What was the last words you said to me?
I don't know.
Something about making it backwards or something?
I ain't never done nothing.
Yeah, I believe that was it.
Well, at least you got that one to show you which way not to not do it.
Right.
Again.
Man, it might work on something else. For sure.
Ain't that the shit?
You know what? Your first mistake when you routed this on the wrong side.
Yep.
Because otherwise you wouldn't have done that.
Yep.
Oh well.
Well, all I got to do is turn this over.
Router the other side and go to town.
Line up the holes. That's here. Okay, that's for our heater and our AC unit to come through. Now, this it's not bad, because we bent this all the way around, so it's kind of stiffened it up pretty good. But it's kind of plain Jane. So I thought maybe we'd break it up a little bit or something. I think I'll follow this contour. We'll come in, let's go 2.5 inches. Go 2.5 inches. 3.5 inches this way, 2.5 inches this way. Three inches in. Lay this out like that. Okay. Make them down 3.5 inches. We want to make that, so we want to kind of curve that around. Yeah. We're going to put like a 1/4 inch bead, just enough to give it a little definition, kind of break it up a little. So we're going to put this 1/4 inch bead right along in here. Let's get it plugged in. Okay, yeah, they're all set. We'll follow this line right around. Try to keep this line in the center of this groove. I got a little too much tension. Someone loosened that one up. Alright, try this again. Back it up a little. Right there. Forward. There you go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you back that off 4 turns. Now if you wanted to put another one in, make it 5 turns. If you wanted to put another one, say right in here, okay, set that up, have your lines in there, turn this back down 5 turns. Now you'll have them both the same height. But we're not concerned about that. This is what we end up with. Nice little bead roll on it. That'll look good. Now, this is the important part. That's not the one we're going to use.